Hello everyone, welcome back to Techno Charts YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about four stocks that are in a cup and handle pattern formation and are going to give a breakout soon, right? So now what is cup and handle pattern? Cup and handle pattern is basically a basing pattern where a resistance is hit multiple number of times, and after the resistance gets broken out, the stocks move fastly because of the contraction in volatility. So for example, if this is a resistance area, and firstly the stock will make a basing structure where the resistance will be taken twice, and then as the sellers get weak and the buyers get strong, there will be again a basing period, and hence this will be known as a cup and handle. This will be the cup and this is the handle. So this is a basic form of cup and handle pattern. Now there can be a modified version or multiple forms of cup and handle pattern. For example, you can see that a cup is forming like this and a resistance is getting formed like at this area, and there could be some kind of consolidation happening in the area of on the right hand side of the base, right? So similar structure you can see in Pgel, that is Pg Electroplast. Here you see that the stock is having a basing structure, and now the stock has formed a handle like structure. You can see that the stock is in sideways zone here. Now this could be a handle formation. Now we do not know how long the handle is going to form, so where could be our entry and where could be our stop loss? Our entry in this pattern could be once a breakout is happening above the area of 785 rupees. And what will be our stop loss? Our stop loss would be below the handle. So here our stop loss would be around at around 730 rupees. Now this is a low risk high reward opportunity because our stop loss in this case would be at around only 6%, 6 to 7% or so. So we can keep a target of around 15 to 20% in this scenario as the breakout is happening. Now the second stock that you can see is using the same concept is Devyani International or Pizza Hut. Now here you see that the stock has formed a basing structure, and now the stock has turned into a tight range. So this is very important breakout trading strategy where you are looking for tightness on the right hand side of the base, and also you can see that the volumes are starting to expand on the green days. So here you see that volumes are always big on the green days compared to the red days, right? So this is the second stock. Now here current market price is at around 174. Your stop loss should be around 165 rupees. That is just below the uh, basing period or below the support area, right? And target could be 200 and 220. Now these are all short term breakout stocks. The third structure is of Kitex garment. Now you can see a similar structure, but here the handle is of a bigger length or bigger range, and hence this would provide a little bit bigger risk opportunity, right? Lower reward and higher risk. Okay, the fourth stock that I'm going to talk about is a modified version of cup and handle, or that is also known as the volatility contraction pattern, where the volatility is decreasing from the left hand side of the base, sorry, from left to right hand side of the base, right? Now here we are looking for dryness in volume within the base and increasing in volume on the right hand side of the base. So here we see that volumes have been dried up in this particular scenario. And now what is the breakout area? The breakout area is at around 1292 rupees, that is 1300 rupees. And where could be your ideal stop loss? Your ideal stop loss could be below the handle or the last volatility contraction base. So our stop loss in this scenario would be below this area. So if it happens ki if the stock does not break out and the stock forms again a multiple base, right? If a stock form a much lower base compared to the previous one, then our stop loss would be shifted to this area, and we will enter on once on the breakout of this candle, right? So these are the four stocks that you can keep tracking for breakout, and you can use alerts to track them efficiently. Otherwise you may miss the entire move. If you like the video, do share it with your friends. Thank you.